Are you looking for a way to be able to make $100 overnight? Well, congratulations, you've come to the right place. With these methods I'm going to share with you today, you can make $75, $85, $95, or even $100 easy peasy lemon squeezy. Plus, you can have this money sent straight to your bank account or PayPal. The platforms I'm going to share with you could change your life overnight, and all you need to do is listen to the very end of this video to learn how. Today I'm going to share 4 different apps with you that can help you make money without needing any special skills or experience. These money-making apps are easy to navigate, and it doesn't take too much effort to make some cash this way. Also, you can get started earning without spending a dime. The apps are completely free to download, and you don't need to link any credit cards or anything else. Plus, you can access these apps from anywhere around the globe. You can be chilling on a beach in Bali or on your lunch break in the UK. Wherever you are in the world and whatever time of day it is, you can use these apps and earn some cash. Make sure to watch all the way until the end of this video to learn about all 4 apps and max out your potential earning. Using all 4 apps will help you make an insane amount of money, so don't miss out. These apps are some of the best money-making apps of 2021. So make sure to stay with me until the very end to learn more.
Before I go into these tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos on ways that you can earn money. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get notified when these videos come out.
Now let's go ahead and dive into the first app. This is what the app looks like right here. Again, this app is free to use and free to download, plus you can get it on any mobile device. Whether you use an Apple or Android device, you can get this app. Just head on over to the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store and you should be able to find it, no sweat. If you want to learn a bit more about this app, you can head on over to their Facebook page, where they also show you proof that people have been paid using this app. Here's the link if you want to go check it out. Also, the Facebook page shows you the logo and app name to look for when you're trying to download the app. Any information that you might want to learn about this app can be found right here, so hop on over here to Facebook and take a peek. See this right here? It shows you that people are actually getting paid on PayPal just from using this app, and there are also a few other posts showing that people have received a payout from them. Aside from PayPal payments and bank transfers, there's also another way that you can get paid from this platform, and that's in Amazon gift cards. Been eyeing a new dog collar on Amazon for your little baby brownie? No worries, now you can pay for it with an Amazon gift card. So if you keep scrolling through their Facebook page, you'll see hundreds of posts about people receiving money through this app. We could sit here all day and scroll, but that'd be wasting precious time that you could use to start downloading this app and get started earning. Just visit the Facebook link and you can see it all for yourself. Now back to the app. So basically how it works is that you earn points doing tasks. Now, no need to worry because the tasks that you do on this app are things that you already do on an everyday basis. One way to earn points on this app is to do surveys. So you just hit a few buttons and bada bing bada boom, you've earned yourself some points. It's that simple. Another way to earn points is just to browse the web and search on Google, which is something that I'm pretty sure that you already do. So if you have a spare 20 or 30 minutes, you can do that on this app and earn yourself some points. When you do this, you'll get paid per minute. How long do you spend on YouTube every day? An hour or 2 maybe? Well, just by watching videos on this app, you can earn points that you can convert to cash. All you need to do is hit play and get paid. Plus, if you don't feel like watching, you can have this open in the background and even open a lot of videos all at once. If you do all of the tasks available for you to do on this site, you can max out your earning potential by having lots of different streams of income. Want to get started? Just head on over to instagc.com and sign up with your Facebook, Twitter, or Google account. If you don't have any of those accounts or would rather manually sign up, all you need is a username, password, and then email address. 1, 2, 3, and you're done. Simple as that. Plus, you get bonus points just for signing up. Now moving on to app numero dos. This platform is called App Karma. Like playing games, this is the app for you. Just play on this app, earn points, and then convert your points to money. The best part is that you can download this app 100% for free. You don't need to spend any money and you can download it on both the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. The points that you earn on this app you can trade for either PayPal money or gift cards. Want to get paid to play games? Just hit this button right here and download App Karma today. For every 100 points you earn, you get $1 US, and when you sign up, they give you 300 points for free. That means that they're giving you $3 for free. Want to max out your earning potential? Invite your friends and family to use App Karma through your referral code, and then you can earn 30% of their earnings. It's a great way to plant the seeds for some passive income. So if you do the math, if one of your friends or family are able to make $100 on App Karma, then that means that you get $30. You can make money, and all you'd have to do is invite people to use the app. Amazing, right? You could be earning money without doing anything. It's super simple. Also, just for logging in, you can earn daily rewards in the form of points. They also reward people with badges for completing certain tasks, and these badges can help you earn more rewards. This app has levels, and if you have badges, they can help you level up and increase your earning rate. Multiply your earnings in a snap. Now let's do some more math. Badges can increase your earnings by 12.5%. So if you earn $100 with badges, you could be earning $112.5. To get started, just head on over to appkarma.io and start buying for badges today. Refer your friends and family and earn some passive income too.
But before I do that, don't forget to hit the like button down below, share this video, and turn on notifications for more videos on how you can earn extra cash.
Now we're on to Numero Tres. To sign up for this site, just head over to cashkick.com. Now this site is very similar to InstaGC in terms of the tasks that you do to earn money. The main difference though is that Cashkick doesn't pay you with points. Instead, you earn actual money, which is why you're here, right? We all want a little cold, hard cash, don't we? Cashkick will send you money straight to your bank account. You can either choose to receive your payment through PayPal or bank transfer. You can see right here that people have actually earned money on PayPal just by using this app. So basically, you can earn money watching videos, answering surveys, and surfing the web just like InstaGC. Another upside to using this platform is that they pay even more than InstaGC, and watching videos will help you earn the most money. So congratulations if you made it this far into the video, because you'll be earning more than the people that didn't stick around to watch until the end. All you need to sign up is your email address and then a password, and then cha-ching, you're signed up to make some cold hard cash. Now we're on to our last app, app numero cuatro. This app is called SuperPay. Just head over to the website to get started. On here you can answer surveys to make money. Want your cash right now? Well, payout on this site is really quick. You can have your money in less than 24 hours after requesting your cash out, and the minimum amount to cash out is super low. Plus, you can do this from the comfort of your own home. Once you sign up, you get a sign-up bonus, so that's another pro. Right here you can see just how much money they've paid out to their users. It really is SuperPay. And it's super simple to get started. Just answer surveys and complete offers, and you can get paid now. As you can see, there are also a lot of ways that you can cash out your earnings, like through PayPal and Amazon gift cards, very similar to the other apps. Here's some proof that people have made money off of this app. They're super transparent, and you can also see who's getting paid, when they got paid, and how much they got paid. Pretty cool, right? Plus, you can see how they receive their payments, and it will show you all of the payment types. You can see people right here cashing out over and over again. There are literally hundreds of people making money right here, right now. Just keep scrolling and you can see thousands upon thousands of dollars being earned. To get started, just click right here and sign up completely for free. Now, you should see a page like this where you just fill in some of your personal information. No worries, because once again, you can do this from any country in the world. Pakistan, Nigeria, the UK, the Philippines, you name it. After that, you just give them your payment details so that they can send your money right away. And now's the easy part, just agreeing to their terms, prove to them that you are not a robot, and voila, you have a free account. I hope you learned something from my video today and are able to use these 4 apps to help you earn some money. Thanks for sticking it out with me until the end. I consider you a real friend now. Anyways, that's all for today's video.
Before I go into these tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos on ways that you can earn money. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get notified when these videos come out.